All right, so can you guys see my screen now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And I hope you guys have already do an advanced reading with this one since I've uploaded this one as early as yesterday para sobrang iksi lang talaga ng meeting natin for today. Okay, so for today's topic, we'll discuss set operations and we will only cover three: the union, intersection, and then the complement. All right. So without a further delay, let me show to you the overview of those three topics. So first is we'll be having a set. Okay, so we have already discussed what are sets before, but this time sets are or the sets that we have right here right now is a Venn diagram. Okay, it is being shown to a Venn diagram. So as you can see right here, we have set A. So as you can see, the shaded green, meaning that's the set A. Okay, and then the other one who's not shaded is the set B. All right. And the next one right here, okay, kung nakikita nyo man yung cursor ko, so nandito na tayo sa pangala. Etong parang merong single na apostrophe, A single apostrophe, the complement of A. Ang pagbasa dito is A complement or A not or the complement of A. So actually, maraming ways of reading this one. But this one is A complement. Okay? So ang ibig sabihin lang naman yan, uh, as you can see, this is our set A. When we say A complement, it's the opposite. Okay? So if we have the set A covering this one, A complement is the opposite of it, meaning the other that is not being covered by set A. So as you can see, the shaded green now is the like everything, okay, aside from set A. So let me give you a short example. So let's say we have a universal set of 1 to 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then in set A, it has an element of 1. And then in set B, it has an element of 2. All right? So kapag sinabi natin A complement, so all elements other than set A or the elements of set A, which is 1. So A complement now is 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, ganun lang naman. So kung tatagalog ko na lang, baka nalito kayo. So yung A complement is meron tayong 1. So pag sinabi natin A complement, element na maliban sa 1, which is 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay? So, vice versa kung sakaling ganun. So, kung sakaling meron tayong 1, 2, 3, 4, so A complement is 5. Okay? Kasi ang range ng universal set natin is 1 to 5. And then A and B are disjoint sets. So, meaning kapag sinabi natin disjoint, set A and set B has their own distinct elements. So, when we say distinct own elements, wala silang pagkakaparehas. Alright? So, they don't share the same elements. Unlike here, so maybe they have the same elements which is inside of this one. So, yung nasa gitna, ito yung intersection part nila kung saan meron silang parehas na element. Right? And then the next one right here, on the upper right, B is proper subset of A. Okay, so napag-aralan na natin to kapag sinabi natin B is proper subset of A, meaning the B is under set A. The same with this one. A is the proper subset of U. Okay, parang ganun. Kasi yung B natin is under sa A and our A is also under set U. Okay? And then the next one here is both A and B, okay, intersection. So we read this one, A intersect B. So meaning we have the same elements, or in this area, this is where they have the same elements, the set A and then the set B. So we call that one intersect or intersection, okay? And then the next one is either A or B. So A union B, so ibig sabihin, we're just simply combining, okay, combining the elements of set A and the elements of set B. So if they don't have the same elements, then just put all the distinct elements of set A right here, and then all the elements or distinct elements of set B right here. And if ever they have elements that are the same, then just write it down here. Okay? So, medyo na-gets nyo na ba so far kung ano ba yung union, complement, and then intersection? Or naaral nyo na to dati?
Meron na pong paunang lesson about yan. Kasi nakalimutan ko na po.
I see. That's a good thing. So this is, so yun, tamang-tama. Para magre-recall ka na lang dito, okay? So union, intersection, and then complement. So don't worry, we will go on those things one by one. So first one is unions of sets. Okay, so in C union, again, we're just simply combining the elements between those two sets. All right, so let's have this example. Example number 1. So we have set A, wherein it has an element of 1, 4, 6, 8. And then set B, wherein it has an element of 0, 2, 4, 8, 9. And then U is a universal set, is equal to the digits. So take note if there is no range indicated, like the digits only. So this one is talking about the range from 1 to 9. Okay? So from number 1 to 9. So kapag sinabi dito, the digits is from 1 to 15, then it means that the numbers inside of that set U or universal set is 1 to 15, or yeah, parang gano'n. Depende. Yung iba, 3 to 15, 5 to 10. So that depends, okay? What are the numbers inside of the universal set? And then the question here is draw a Venn diagram for A union B. Again, if it's union, we're just simply combining the elements of those two sets. So to give you a short explanation, let us have a paint. Okay. So the first thing that you guys need to do is draw a Venn diagram. Okay. Para, kasi yun naman yung pinaka-requirements. Saka na yung mga list of elements. So for now, draw a rectangle. So what is this rectangle? This one is representing the set U. Okay. So this is like our universe. And then anything that is inside of it is under set U. So as you can see, we have two sets. We have set A and set B. So for sets that is under universe, so we're going to represent that one by using a circle. Okay, so we have the set A, and then we have another set which is the set B. Okay, so their size doesn't matter. Hindi naman ibig sabihin dapat pantay na pantay sila. So this one is okay. Okay, so yeah, set B is slightly bigger. And then let's just put a label. So for the first circle, this one is the set A. And then for the second circle, this one is the set B. Right. So next one, let's check the elements one by one. So in set A first, so we have here 1, and then check on the set B if we have, or if this element is on set B also. So as you can see, wala dito yung 1. So ibig sabihin, distinct element siya ng set A. So just put it right here. Okay, kasi sa set A lang siya mismo. And 4, okay, as you can see, we have another 4 in set B. So ibig sabihin, parehas sila ng elements, or they have the same elements, okay, which is 4. So if that's the case, then you have to put it where deep intersect, okay. So just put it right here, 4. The next one is 6. So again, this one is a distinct element of set A. Wala rin sa set B, so ilagay nyo lang dito mismo sa Venn diagram ng set A. And then for 8, so as you can see, we have 8 again on set B. So ibig sabihin, they have their own, they have the same elements, okay. So just put it between them, okay, where the intersect. Okay, so once you're done with set A, so you can now go over on the set B. So ganun din, same step, same process. So check nyo lang din to, 0, meron ba sa kabila? So kapag wala, then just put it on the set B. So meaning 0 is a distinct elements on set B. And then for 2, so ganun din, wala din. So just put it on the set B. And then for 4 and then 8, so as you can see, nalagay na natin siya sa gitna. So you don't need to repeat that one anymore. Okay? It's already done on our set A before. And then 9, so wala siya sa kabila. So just put it on set B. Right? And then as you can see right here, we have the digits. So again, as I have said a while ago, the digits is ranging from 1 to 9. So ibig sabihin, etong set U natin, okay, must have a number of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. So mag-i-start tayo sa 1, check natin. So as you can see, meron na sa letter A, 2 meron na sa B, but 3 wala pa sa set A and set B. So ibig sabihin, dapat nandito pa rin siya sa set U. But this time, it should be outside set A and set B kasi yung element 3 is not in set A and not in set B. So it's just only that it's within the universe, okay? Or within the universal set. Oops. Okay lang yan. Lagyan ko na lang ng kama. So 3. 4, meron na rin dito. 5, wala pa dito. So we have to put 5 here. 6, meron na dito. 7, wala pa dito. Okay, so we have to put 7 right here. And then 8 and 9 is already in set A and set B. And then 9 is already in set B. So in that case, yun lang yung mga ilalagay nating number dito sa universal set natin. Alright, so as you can see, here's the complete Venn diagram of A union B. Alright, so kapag ililista nyo, okay, using a list, yung A union B natin, so you can list the elements of set A first. 1, 4, 6, 8. 1, 4, 6, 8. 6, 8. And then for set B, we have 0, 2, 4, 8, 9. Okay. But then again, in sets, there should not repeated numbers, or there should not repeated elements. Okay. So as you can see right here, yung naulit lang na elements is 4 and 8. So we have to remove the other 4 and then the other 8. So in that case, our A union B is 1602489. Okay, which is this one. Nasa loob na ito. Alright, or pwede nyo tignan kaagad-agad to itong nasa loob ng Venn diagram. So ito is 1602489. 1602489. Yes. And then the 357 is outside of set A and set B. Okay? And discuss rin natin dito yung intersection. So the list of elements where they've intersected is A. So wala akong ito, copy ko na lang to para may copy tayo. Is ba? Wala. Hindi yata pwede. Ano pwede? Anyway, so basta A. Ayun pala, pwede naman. Bakit iba yung kulay? And so A intersection B is equal to 4 and 8. Okay. So yeah, dito na rin naman na siya. So 4 and 8 where they've intersected. And then this is the list of elements if you combine the set A and set B. So did you guys get it so far?
Yes, sir.
All right. How about the others?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
That's good. Okay, so this is our answer for example number 1. So it actually has a short video. So this is only a 2-minute video. So if ever that you didn't understand what I am trying to explain or what I have explained right now, so you can watch this one instead. Okay, so here's the answer for the example number 1. So they are just the same with our paint. Okay, we have here the Venn diagram and then the, oops, oh ba? Ay, intersection na pala to. Ito. Yeah. Solution number 1. Okay, so A union B. Alright? So same na same lang din naman yan. Okay, so let's have another example. Okay, we have set A and then set B. Set A has an element of 3, 1, 6, 5, 15. And then set B has an element of 3, 2, 5, 8, 9, 13. Okay, and then in here, it's specified now that the range of numbers is 1 to 15. Okay, so question is draw a Venn diagram for A union B. But this time, I won't be showing you the step-by-step solution anymore. So I'll give you guys 30 seconds. I think that's already enough. 30 seconds or 1 minute to analyze this one. Okay, what are the list of the elements of A union B? Okay, so yun lang yung question ko ngayon. Ano yung list natin? Yung parang ganito. List of A union B. So you can use our chat box, okay, to send your answer. It's actually super simple. You just basically write everything, the elements from set A and then the elements from set B. After that, check if there's an element that is repeated. So if there is, then just remove the other one. And then check again if there's still other elements that is repeated. So yeah, do the same. And then once there is no element that is repeated, then that is already your final answer. Right, so we already have an answer here coming from Mr. Monroy. So his answer is 3, 1, 2, 6, 5, 8, 9, 13, 15. Yes, this one is correct. So as you can see right here, 3 and 5 occur twice. Okay. So if you combine set A and set B, so you just have to remove the 3 and 5 on that list. So you'll come up with this answer. Okay? And oops, tama ba? Yeah. So yun na ngayon. And then for the set U, okay. For other, let's say set A and set B already covered the, saan yung chat box natin? Already covered the 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 8, 9, 13, 15. But the 4, 7, and then 10, and then 11, and then 12, and then 14 is not under set A and set B. So in that case, you have to put that on our Venn diagram or outside set A and set B. So here's the solution for that one. Okay, so ito lang yung tanong ko kanina, yung list, which is the same with the answer of Mr. Monroy. So yeah, and then this is the Venn diagram. Okay, so this is the distinct elements of set A and then the distinct elements of set B. Alright, and then ito yung kung saan parehas sila na may element na ganito. So set A has element of 3, set B has an element of 3 also. The same with 5, right? And then as you can see right here, we've also included the other elements. Okay. 4, 7, 10, 11, 12, and then 14. So you have to include this one because it's indicated here that the digits from universal set is ranging from 1 to 15. Okay. So the rest are already under set A and set B, but this one is not under set A and set B. So you have to put it right here. Okay. And then here's the list of the A union B. Alright? So, gano'n lang naman siya kasimple. And then intersection of sets. So in here, this one is actually a lot easier. So if you're going to answer this one with intersection of sets like A intersect B, so your answer would be 3 and 5. All right. So I think intersection of sets doesn't need an explanation since this one is already explained on the union, okay, or on the Venn diagram of union. So in here, I'll give you guys again 20 to 30 seconds. What are the list of where the set A and set B intersect with each other? So ano yung elements natin kung saan sila nag-intersect? Hello? Sobrang dali lang yan. 4 and 8. Yeah. Kasi kung papansin niyo, same example lang to doon sa union of sets natin. Okay. So wala akong binago. Kinapi ko lang. It's just that we have to show that yung difference lang nila na ganun pa rin yung magiging result. It's just that, so same Venn diagram. It's just that the list of elements that is now being shown is where they intersect. A intersect B. So 4, 8. Okay. Same lang to sa example ng example number 1 natin sa union kanina. Okay. So I won't be explaining this one anymore. And then this one is also the same with the example number 2 coming from union. Okay. So yeah. So same question. Saan sila nag-intersect? With this example number 2. So yeah, coming from Mr. Monroy and then Mr. Rismal. So yeah, it's 3 and 5. Okay. So same Venn diagram, just a different list of elements. Okay. So E intersect B is 3 and 5. Right? So ganun lang naman for union and then intersection. So moving on, let's have the complement of a set. Alright? So alam nyo na siguro to kasi na-explain na rin natin to kanina. Anyway, so let's say we have set A wherein it has an element of 0, 1, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then we have the digits or ranging from 1 to 9. Okay. And then it is asking us draw a Venn diagram for a, like this. So, mali itong question. Okay. So, give the list or what is or find the A complement. Okay. Or find the elements of A complement. Ganun dapat to. Kasi wala akong pinakitang Venn diagram dito. I've only shown the result. Okay. So again, in here, you just have to check one by one. Kung wala dito, you have to put it right here. Okay. Because A complement is the opposite of A or set A. Okay. So again, sabi dito the digits, so it's ranging from 1 to 9. But in here, they've included the 0, so we have to start from 0. So 0, 1, so 2 is not in here, so you have to put it on the list of A complement. 3 is also not here, so we have to put it on the list of A complement. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is already in here, but 9 is not in here, so you have to put it on the list of A complement. Okay, so as you can see, this one is ranging from 0 to 9. Okay, so combination of A and then A naught is the complete list of elements of the universal set. All right, it's just that the elements that is in here is the opposite of this set. Kung ano yung mga wala dito, nandito. Kung ano yung wala dito, nandito rin. Okay. So yeah, it's vice versa. So, isa to sa mga pinakamadali. Okay, hanapin nyo lang yung wala dito, ilista nyo lang dito, then that's your answer already. Alright? Okay, so yeah, that's it for example number 1. Did you guys get this one so far or confusing ba siya?
Nagets naman po.
Sobrang dali na naman niyang intindihin. Anyways, let's move on with another example. So we have here 3, 4, 5, 7, 8. And then with this example, we now have a range of number from 3 to 15. Okay? So kanina, puro 1 to 9 or 1 to 15. But right now, we have the 3 to 15. So again, find the list of elements of A complement. Okay? So again, we can start from 3 since so, para malaman nyo kung saan kayo mag-start, lagi nyo tingnan kung saan yung range or ano yung range ng universal set natin. Okay, so in here, we've started in 3. So we will start at 3. So 3, 4, 5 is already in here, but 6 is not in here. So lagay nyo lang dito 6. 7, 8 is nandito na. And then the rest is wala na. So 9 hanggang 15. Okay? So, yeah, ganun lang naman ang answer ng A complement. So, maraming ways. Pwede kang gumamit ng Venn diagram if you want to, or para kung mas nadadalian ka sa Venn diagram. But actually, pwede naman na yung parang ito, yung this lang, parang iniisa-isa na natin with the use of, analyzation. Okay. It's just that you have to know the starting point and then the ending. Okay. And then, it's incrementing naman by 1 only, not by 2. Right? So here's your answer in example number 2. Right? So moving on, we have here the Boolean set operations. Actually, when we say Boolean, okay, it has 2 values wherein it's true or false. But in here, we have to prove that A intersection B complement is true. Okay? So you have to show that this one is true. Okay? All right, so let's start with the universal set. So our universal set or range of numbers ranging from 1 to 10. And then we have set A wherein it has an element of 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. And then set B has an element of 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So here it's asking us to find A intersect B complement. So set A, we already have that one. So wala na kayong problema sa set A. So ang problema na lang is yung elements ng B complement natin. Okay? So with this one, you have to start in finding the elements of B complement. So in here, as you can see, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 is already in set B. So B complement is the opposite of it. We're in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? Because again, our range of number is ranging from 1 to 10. Okay, so we have to start from 1. So 1 is not here, so put it here. 2 is not here, so put it here. And so on and so forth. Hanggang sa ma-reach nyo yung pinakalas na wala dito. Alright? So we now already have the B complement and then the set A. So all we need to do is compare those 2 elements. So where they've intersected, okay, or what are the elements wherein they have the same elements. So as you can see, 2 is 1, and then 4 is also another elements where they've intersected. And then the rest, not anymore. So just put here 2 and 4, right? So that is A intersect B complement. Okay, so ganun lang naman kasimple. So did you guys get it so far regarding with this one? So actually this is like a combination of union, intersection, and then complement. Okay. So any question or clarification so far?
Yan po.
All right. So this is the last one already. And then here's just a summary of our topic. So a Venn diagram is a visual diagram that shows the relationship of sets with one another. And then the set of all elements being considered is called the universal set. So sometimes we call this one the set of all elements, which is the universal set, which is being represented by letter U or capital letter U, and is represented by a rectangle, okay, if it's in Venn diagram. And the complement of A is A single apostrophe. So in some cases, okay, we represent this one with A and then bar. Okay, bar is just a horizontal line on the top of it. Now, actually, pwede rin naman ganito or pwede rin yung isa. Okay. So set A and B are disjoint because they do not share any common elements. And then B is a proper subset of A. This means B is a subset of A, but B is not equal to A. So the intersection A and B is a set of elements in both set A and set B. Right? And then the union of A and B is a set of elements in set A or set B. And then just in case you have this kind of question wherein it is asking you to combine this set with an empty set. So if it's intersection, then just put here null. Kasi wala naman talagang nag-intersect sa dalawang set na to kasi nga wala namang element yung sa kabila. Alright? And then for a union, okay, empty set. So it's like, adding. Okay, again, if it's union, you're just simply adding or combining the two elements. Wherein it's like a or 5 plus 1. Okay, parang ganun. Kung meron tayong mga values. But in here, it's 5 plus 0 since it's an empty set. So whatever's the value of this one, same pa rin dito. So 5 pa rin yung sakali. Okay. And then, yeah, it actually has a video. Okay, I didn't watch this one anymore, but it actually has a step-by-step video explaining the summary. So nilagay ko lang dito just in case gusto nyo panoorin. Anyway, so this one is actually self-explanatory, so you don't need to watch this one. Alright, so that's it for this summary. And then as usual, right after those examples, you're going to have a quiz. Okay, so yeah, you have here your universe. We have 4 sets, and then we have 8 questions. Okay, so kung nag-advance reading ka, so by now, siguro nasagutan nyo na to. Okay, so yeah, sobrang dali lang naman niya. It will only take you maybe 10 to 15 minutes. So yeah, 8 questions, 5 points each. So just check the canvas to answer those questions. Right? And then
Multiple choice, sir.
multiple choice. Yeah, multiple choice ang ginawa ko. So don't worry. Multiple choice. So here's my reference where all of my topics on this slideshow came from. And yeah, so blanco kasi hindi ko nalagay yung end of presentation. Anyway, that's it for this topic. So very short lang siya. So yeah, additional lang to kasi parang alam nyo na to noon pa. Alright, so any question or clarification so far?
None po.
Alright. So, kung sakali may question kayo, actually, we can have a part 2 kung sakaling may mga concern kayo regarding with our past topics wherein hindi mo masyado nagigets. So, we can go over on that one. So, yeah. Pero kung wala, then I'll, then eto na yun. Last meeting na natin to. So, goodbye na and then good luck na sa final exam. So, we now only have 1 minute. Okay. So, kung meron may mga question, so feel free to say, sir, I have a concern regarding with this topic. Or you can message me to my messenger kung sakaling wala ka sa ngayon. So, wala na. So, you may now go and have your breakfast if you haven't ate your breakfast yet. So, goodbye and good luck.
Good day, sir.
Good day too. Yes, Mr. Organo and then Mr. Rismal. Do you guys have a question or clarification?